name's Cody Diarklin, and I'm here today to take you through Cloud Assembly's newest feature, source control integration with GitLab. Source control has become a key capability in our customer accounts. It's used widely for a number of interaction points and across a number of different teams. It's not a nice to have anymore, it's an expectation of enterprise-grade platforms. The more we talk about Cloud Assembly's approach, the more we find that customers are looking for additional methods of interacting with the platform. One of these rising demands is an ability to interact from an as-code perspective, external to the standard design canvas that we've all seen before. As we expose project-level integrations for GitLab, you'll have the capability of establishing a single source of truth for your blueprinting across multiple projects. This enables the define once, consume many approach to blueprinting. Once the content is in source control, you can take advantage of the powerful collaboration and versioning capabilities that surround Git integration. Things like pull requests against issues, pipeline integrations, deeper version tracking, and a continuous synchronization between that repository and your projects. Let's jump in and take a look at how we configure this integration. When we navigate into Cloud Assembly, we'll go to the Infrastructure tab. From here, we'll navigate to the Integrations tab and select Add Integration. We'll select GitLab integration and we'll fill in the appropriate details for our repository, gitlab.com, our token that we extracted earlier. We'll validate it to make sure that the credentials are successful. Then we'll name our account. I named mine Cody's GitLab. We'll go ahead and select Add, and we'll immediately access that actual integration again. We'll select the Projects tab to bind to our project, select Add Project, selecting the lab project that we've referenced previously. We'll fill in our repository details, so Cody Diarklin / Cas Blueprints. We'll select our master branch, and then the blueprints type. This will initiate the synchronization of blueprints into the platform, which takes a few moments to complete. From here, we'll navigate to the Blueprints tab, and we can observe that all of our blueprints have been imported from the GitLab instance. Now, if we go into one of our actual blueprints, we can observe that the version that we tagged within the actual YAML was kept as well, v1. I hope you've enjoyed this feature overview introducing GitLab integration into Cloud Assembly. We're continuing to rapidly deploy new features and functionality into the platform as a whole, and we're only at the beginning of this exciting journey. Enjoy the ride, and we hope to hear from you soon.